DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Jaguar. It's a 2 litre XC R Sport with Italian Firenze red, gloss black alloy wheels. It's got the full R Sport body styling kit. It's in really lovely condition. The R Sport rear spoiler, twin exhaust, boot area's in lovely condition, and then it's got the piece de la resistance, which is the lovely complementary interior, lovely red black leather, and it's got these lovely carpet mats in it as well. Very nice indeed. Tell it's been looked after. Electric windows, electric mirrors. So 99,841 miles. Started up. Lovely quiet engine on this one. Sweet as anything on there. It's got satellite navigation. Reverse park distance control with rear camera. Bluetooth connectivity, media pack, home, everything on there. Different driving modes. Got paddle shift on the gearbox, lovely leather R Sport steering wheel, hardly any wear on it. Cruise control, automatic headlights, reverse camera I think I've already showed you. Really is in lovely condition. I love this colour combination. Perforated seats, heated seats. No, there was another one. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.